Today I'm going to show you how to clean the dishwasher. So, open the machine, remove the blue tray, and leave it on the side, and also remove the plug which is located on the bottom. Close the machine, press the 0 button, and next the draining button. Wait for a few minutes to drain water. During that time, the draining button will be flashing. When it stops, it means the dishwasher is ready to be cleaned. Open the machine, remove the filters, and rinse them under the water. Then, clean the machines from all sides. Once a month, the arms of the machine have to be cleaned. We can find them at the bottom and on top of the machine. To remove them, simply unscrew the screws which are located in the middle, and also use the sponge to wash it properly. If the machine has been cleaned, now is the time to put back the filters plug. Close the machine and select 2 minutes button. The button will be flashing for around half an hour. When it stops, it means water has been filled up and machine is ready to use. Now we will talk about the chemicals which we use. Our washing detergent is aromatic, which removes the heaviest grease and keeps glasses, dishes and cutlery nice and clean. And the second chemical which we use is Rinso, provides quick drying and keeps glasses shiny. Remember, check the chemicals daily. If the bottles are empty, replace for the new one that you can find in our chemical cupboard allocated in the kitchen. When you are changing the chemicals, use protective equipment. Goggles, gloves and mask if necessary, as our chemicals are highly corrosive. They can cause skin damage or burns. After changing the chemicals, always wash your hands.